Introducing the Wood-Mizer Multihead Band Resaw. This proven design represents everything we've learned during 18 years of research into thin kerf saw and blade technology. Wood-Mizer developed thin kerf narrow band sawing in 1981, and since then we've produced over 23,000 cutting heads for use worldwide. The thin kerf of these saws uses less horsepower, reduces sawdust waste by up to 60%, and produces up to 30% more usable lumber than most conventional circle saws, with every pass of the blade. Multi-head efficiencies translate into one word in any language: profit. Profits that begin at our limited force by requiring up to 1/3 fewer logs to produce the same output of finished lumber. Profits that come from purchasing, handling, and inventorying fewer cants. Profits that come from lower electrical cost, not only at the saw, but from lower debarking and sawdust removal requirements. And profits from reduced blade cost, because Wood-Mizer's Resharp program allows you to reuse your blades without sharpening them yourself. The Wood-Mizer Multihead will give you the edge you need to prosper in today's competitive marketplace. The Multihead's unique cutting system yields a number of benefits. Low horsepower, low torque cutting heads eliminate the dangers of kerf binding associated with circular cutting blades. Multiheads are also much quieter than conventional gang rip saws. The versatility of the Wood-Mizer Multihead allows you to cut a much broader range of product. It will handle cants, slabs, or any dimensional lumber up to 12 inches wide by 7 inches tall and in lengths as short as 24 inches. The Multihead produces a smooth surface that results in satisfied customers and more repeat business. Its accuracy also improves the performance of automatic nailers and yields a higher quality product. The Wood-Mizer Multihead comes with 1 to 6 cutting heads and is easily adaptable to your existing plant flow. An optional merry-go-round is available that will return the uncut portion of your cants to the front of the saw, reducing the amount of labor in your operation. This automatic merry-go-round will handle cants up to 8 feet long, so grade resawing can be used to improve the productivity of your sawmill. The merry-go-round is shown in operation at the end of the video. Unlike other band resaws, the Multihead features powerful 25 horsepower electric motors. You'll appreciate the extra power when you're cutting dry, hickory, ash, or white oak. The 34-inch main drive wheels are some of the largest in the industry for narrow bands. They provide extended cutting life between sharpenings and longer overall blade life. Our patented floating belt system doesn't allow sawdust buildup on the drive wheels and therefore eliminates the need for brushes or other add-ons to keep the drive wheels clean. Each cutting head has as standard equipment a blade lubrication system to eliminate sap or pitch buildup. All cutting heads are quickly and accurately raised or lowered by individual speed cranks, and blade height is indicated by a gauge on each head or by using our simple gauge blocks. Our low-maintenance blade guides have proven themselves in over 45,000 applications. The unique offset roller block design gives the stability of block blade guides without their high friction or frequent replacement. The Multihead is a compact, space-saving design that takes up to 1/3 less valuable manufacturing space than other band resaws. The main control panel is located in an easily accessible position and is an integral part of the perimeter safety fence. Track feed and blade motors are controlled from this convenient control panel. The Multihead has a long-life steel conveyor, which eliminates the uneven wear common to rubber conveyor belts. A wedge-shaped rubber conveyor belt on a resaw cuts wedge-shaped boards. Conveyor speed is infinitely variable, from 0 to 120 feet per minute. To maintain proper feeding of cants, slabs, and lumber, individually powered overhead feed rollers are used on each cutting head. Unlike the old-fashioned individual screw-type blade tensioners found on most resaws, the Multihead has centralized hydraulic blade tensioning. One control adjusts and maintains blade tension on all heads for consistent, fail-safe operation. And an automatic blade breakage sensor shuts the machine off if a blade breaks, protecting both the equipment and its operators. The Wood-Mizer industrial blades used by the Multihead produce a kerf of only 0.082 inches and will normally operate 6 to 8 hours between sharpenings. You can use other blades, but Wood-Mizer blades will produce the best cuts for the longest time, and only Wood-Mizer offers factory blade remanufacturing. For just $6 per blade, U.S. customers can send their Wood-Mizer blades back to be cleaned, inspected, sharpened on a diamond grinding wheel, and computer set. There's simply no way to have lower blade costs than to use our blades and resharp program. All multi-heads are built to the highest standards with state-of-the-art equipment. Their quality is maintained by a family of employees who care very much about the quality of every product carrying the Wood-Mizer name. Wood-Mizer doesn't farm out our manufacturing. All fabricated components on the multi-head are produced in-house by Wood-Mizer. By doing our own machining, turning, cutting, welding, painting, electrical work, assembly, and inspections, we're able to control quality at each point of manufacture. When a multi-head is shipped, we know it's right because we build it completely in our factory. Each Wood-Mizer multi-head is fully assembled, tested, and ready to cut upon arrival. We provide full machine training at our Indianapolis home office, and on-site training can be arranged for an additional fee. We also have 8 factory service locations across the U.S. and Canada, more than any other resaw manufacturer. Thin curve technology has been refined by Wood-Mizer over the last 18 years. We put everything we know into each multi-head we make. With equipment in over 100 countries and offices worldwide, Wood-Mizer has the service organization and research facilities necessary to fully support every machine it sells. Isn't it time you experience the performance, low blade cost, and support only a Wood-Mizer multi-head can provide? Call 1-800-553-0182 today.